Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming in my new apartment. I'm so excited. I decided to do a moving vlog for you guys because this has just been such a happy experience for me moving into this place. I've just been so excited to get in here and I just really wanted to film it and share it with you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. So I'm going to make this into two parts. This is going to be the first part and then I'm going to film on second part for like my first week in my new apartment. So yeah, first let's start off with day one when I first got my key and moved into the apartment. I am so excited. Here's the dining room. There's the kitchen right here. Svea has already grabbed herself a snack. And down this way to the right is her room. And down here is the bathroom. I picked up this cute little set right here with llamas and cactuses. Honestly, I just wanted it for the cactus because I love that. So excited to be in my new apartment. I can't believe it. It's finally moving day. I'm so excited. What is time? Living in the thoughts and the visions, but between the lines, yeah. I can't even talk with the visions there in my mind. Cause every time I fall, I can feel you there. So excited to be in the new apartment. I just got the key. I don't look real great today because I barely did any makeup. I just kind of put on concealer and some eyeshadow and mascara, honestly, because I'm gonna be sweating all day moving all this stuff. But I don't know how much of this I'm gonna be able to vlog, but I'm gonna put pieces together and try to share it with you guys. And I'll check back in later on tonight, like after I've got things moved in and whatever. I'm like unpacking things and setting it up. So yeah, I'm gonna run out to the car and grab some more stuff and I'll see you guys later. So day one of the movie vlog didn't go as planned. I wasn't able to film due to the rain, and also we were all so sore and tired after moving everything ourselves that I passed right out just, I don't know, in my moving clothes. Like I didn't even get a chance to change into my pajamas. Needless to say, I got a really good first night's sleep in my new apartment. I mean, I've been sleeping good all week. That's like one of the best things I love about being here. I don't know why, I'm just sleeping better now. But it could be from exhaustion from the move, honestly. Morning, guys. So it was my first night at the new apartment. Yeah, I was not able to vlog at all yesterday. To top off the fact that we were moving my entire house, just three of us by ourselves in one day. It also, we had a rainstorm here. Like, you know, there were times where we had to wait when we were moving the couch onto the truck that we couldn't do it in the storm, but I couldn't film the guys loading the truck at all. Like I really wanted to have that clip in here, but I couldn't just because it was raining, so I couldn't take my camera out. And so yeah, I'm gonna go running around for some last minute things. So see you guys later. I'm excited to get food from the apartment for the first time that year. Yeah! Hey guys, so I am so exhausted. Tonight is my second night at the apartment. I didn't really get a lot of filming done today either because it's like so hectic around here. I just forget to pull out my camera. It's been so long since I vlogged. I've really got to get used to this again. Anyway, so this morning I went running around doing that. Then I had to come back here at 11 to meet up with the internet guy because it wasn't working yesterday when I hooked it up. I'm finally back online. So excited about that. I put my other video on public because for some reason when it uploaded, it never got set to public. So it's just like my stupid mistake. I was like, oh yeah, my BoxyCharm video's coming out on time. Psych. I uploaded it on time. I forgot to hit public before I moved here and didn't have any internet for. By the way, if there's an annoying noise, I'm really sorry. It's my air conditioner. I have it running right now. I'm sitting out in the living room. So ignore that table right there. It is dirty. Yes, there's like paint splatter on it. That's what that is. And it's dirty from the move. But the glass piece is missing out of it because it's in my car. I'm waiting for my friend to come back over to get that from my car because I literally am hurting so bad I can't lift anything else. But that's the fireplace that I painted myself. Like I love how it turned out. It was this wood fireplace, but it was like definitely beat up and worn. If you guys check my Twitter, if you're following me there, or my Instagram, you can see before and after pictures. But I did not have to sand this thing. All I did was prime it and then paint it this like glossy white paint. I love how it turned out. And then I've got my bookshelf from the other place over there for right now. And yep,
those are all the boxes that I unpacked today. So all of that is completely unpacked. All of this stuff pretty much right here are things that need to go on my bookshelf and on this right here. So there's my little organizer. You guys can see like makeup and some of my DVDs and stuff there. I'm really excited about this. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. But I bought these end tables. They were on sale for like $10. I got these at Walmart. I actually do like the Mainstays brand. I think that's what this is and what my desk is. And I love building those things because it's so easy. But I'm going to decorate that kind of like how I had it at the other place. And then I decided to have my desk here because it's perfect, because right here is where the balcony is, and during the day it's such like great lighting that comes in through here. I can't wait because I feel like I'm going to be able to film really nice without having to use box lights. I can use more natural lighting, which I love. So then this is the dining room. The table needs to be put back together. The legs are over there, but I didn't have a wrench to do that with, so I'm gonna have to do that soon. And I just put the kennel right there for right now. I filmed earlier showing you guys me setting up this. I actually really like how it looked. I'm not into llamas. My best friend is, but I love cactuses, and I honestly really like how it turned out. I didn't think I was gonna like it that much, but I do once I got it set up. And then I've got that little basket there with extra toilet paper in it. I'm like pretty much dressed for bed. I've got no makeup on today. I'm just way too tired to do anything, so yeah. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I've got done so far. I mean, tomorrow I need to go shopping. Hopefully we'll get the table put together tomorrow, and then tomorrow night I'm gonna go to the races. So you would think with me moving into a new apartment that my first weekend with the new apartment would be at my new apartment. Yeah, it didn't turn out that way, but I don't care. I had so much fun. One of my friends invited us over, and we ended up staying the night at his house Friday because the race we got rained out from the race. And then Saturday we decided to go to the race, and we were out really late. So I spent most of the weekend and not at home. But I don't know, I had such a good time, and the races were a lot of fun. Like a cute pink hat, like the racers buy the crowd gifts and then give them out. So I got bracelets for the girls and I got a hat for myself, and it was just a really good time. It was so entertaining. There was like a couple of trucks that like smashed into each other and really went at it. Like they made each other angry. They got black flagged and taken off the race. Then like other people who weren't racers signed up to race against each other, so they'd pair them off and then the winners would go against them, and that was really funny to watch too. So finally, Sunday night, I was able to clean my dresser, my desk, and my organizer and put all of my stuff on it. This place just didn't feel homey until that was done. I mean, that's like some of my favorite like home decor, I guess, and it's just like where I put my favorite books up on display and my little Buddha on my organizer. And you guys know, like, my desk needs to be cleaned up and my makeup needs to be set on it. I mean, I wasn't able to do my makeup all week because it was like all packed up. I couldn't find anything, and so yeah, that just needed to be done. And it was a lot of fun. I just threw on Friends for the night and just enjoyed cleaning and getting everything set up, and it just looks so much nicer now. So I'll show you guys a clip of that.
By my side, yeah. So show me the way and I'll follow you. Show me the way, cause that's all I do. Take the leap of faith and I'll dive into my diamonds. I'm finding this divine light inside of you. Tell me that you want me, baby. That ice cold stare, I just wanna know you, baby. From 1 to 3, got me looking everywhere for you. Count the stars, you are my sun.
See, like, I got a lot of that stuff done. I'm so much happier now that that's done. The living room just looks a lot more comfortable, and yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to decorate this place, especially for when the fall comes. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have a vlog on that because I can't wait to go shopping for that decoration. But I gotta get the base stuff put in first. Like, I still need to put up my tapestry and my paintings in the house. I have some end tables that I want to put together and just stuff like that. I also want to fix up the couch because I just don't like the way that it looks. I found like a budgeted like DIY way to fix up my couch, and I want to show you guys how I did that as well in the next part of this video. So that kind of stuff will be in part 2. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you get notified for the next one. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.